Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Netlify. Netlify is a cloud-based platform that allows developers to build, deploy, and manage websites and applications. It provides an all-in-one solution for hosting, deploying, and managing modern web projects, making it easier and faster for developers to get their work. Let's head to the website and create our account. The average enterprise on Netlify ship are 114 times per week. Ship it faster. Welcome to Netlify. What can I help you? We have the live chat down here. Information about the Netlify platform. I am a Netlify customer. Partnership information. We are going to discover this by ourselves. Let's sign up first. And one of the key features of Netlify is its simplicity and ease of use. You can log by GitHub, GitLab, or sign up with Bitbucket, or you can use your email. For me, I will continue with GitHub. So as I said, the platform provides a simple and intuitive platform that makes it easy for developers to get started with building and developing their projects. It also provides a range tool and feature help developing and optimizing their website for performance, security, and SEO. Another advantage of Netlify is its speed and scalability. So here we have nice to meet you. Let's get acquainted. Okay, this is a new word added to my dictionary. So, how are you planning to use Netlify? Personal, school, client, work, personal. What kind of site do you want to build first? Games, web app, e-commerce, documentation, personal site, blog, company site, something else, personal. What describes your role? Hobby developer, freelancer, other. What's the name of your team? Akatsuki. Continue to deploy. Madara's team is now named Akatsuki. Seems familiar, right? Deploy your first projects. Deploy with GitHub, GitLab. We have Bitbucket and Azure DevOps. OPS. Get started another way. Try Notify Drop. Choose a template. We skip this step for now. You can always skip thanks to this website. Try Pro free 1 month and get background function, password protection, and email support, and more. So this is the team overview, the members and the owner. Here we have the notification bar and the news. Here we have the support, the lab. We have sites, import from Git or start from template. From zero, you can build. We have here integrations, domains to get your site known. We have members, audit log, billing, and we have plans. Here we can see the plans and subscriptions. We are in the starter and free plan. We have the pro, the business, the enterprise. The enterprise plan is custom pricing depending on what you need. And those are the plans. Let's see the team settings. We have the name, the slug, the logo. You can change the logo. You can change the team plan, edit team info. Available for enterprise plan. You need to upgrade to get it. Here, the upgrade button. Here we have the task overview. which have the support button, forum, documents, and emails. And here we have, you can create a new team. You can add sites for to start. Don't know where are the personal settings. And here, not now. Drag and drop your site output folder here. You can upload your website like I said. Here we have the members, only me. So in addition of hosting and development, Netli- Netlify also provides a range of other features and integrations such as continuous integration and deployment, CI and CD. We have form handling and serverless functions. This allows developers to focus on building their projects and delivering values to their users without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure. So let's do what this says and create our website site. Team. Start from a template. Choose one and click on it. Use it. Choose clone this template to your Git provider. Then so the website show you the steps and help you to get to it with simple text and simple images so you know what are you doing. So you can just click authorize, and with collaboration with other websites that you should have an account on, he will continue doing the job. Owner, repository name, repository visibility, let's keep it private for now, and deploy your site. Now you just need a domain, I guess. So overall, Netlify is a powerful and user-friendly platform that makes it easy for developers to build, deploy, and manage modern web projects, whatever you are, a solo developer or a part of a large team. Netlify provides the tool and features you need to build and deploy your project with ease. Deploy in progress for Boisterous, Palmier. What is this? Netlify robots are busy building and deploying your site to our CDN. Fancy a game while you wait. You can play a game while you wait. This is good. Here we have the log while they are creating the website. Let's play the game. Oh, I know the game. You have to match two pictures. Where did I saw this? Okay, this game is getting harder. Just kidding, this is easy. Where did I saw the dinosaur? Yes, I have a good memory. No, I never seen this. The sheep was here. No, the dog was here. The cat was here. The other cat was here. The dog, where was the dog? Next to each other's. We have this. No, I have a bad memory, I admit it. Here, this. Not. Yes. And this here. Now we are done. End game. 16 moves. Whoa, deploy site, 3 functions to upload. So I think the website is deployed now. And you can attach it. Great work. Your first site on Netlify. Now you need to connect it to a provider and give your customize it, set a name, and see how it looks, and edit it anytime. I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.